Good afternoon. Standard 8 subject English. Today we learn a lesson 1.4 Miss Slippery, remaining part of the lesson. So at first I read it, you listen carefully. See. One day I was coming to the down the school stairs. Somebody from the top gave a frantic scream. I fell and came tumbling down about 7 steps. My elbows and knees were badly bruised. My new frock was torn at the seams. When I reached home, Mama shouted, I am sick of you. When will you stop making me pay through my nose for such extravagant losses? Mother seized me by the arm, gave me a good jerk and seated me on the bed. She fetched an antiseptic lotion and applied it to my elbow and knees, but did not hug me. Within my linger, the yearning that she would hold me and console me, even if she had given me just a sympathetic pat, my smarting limbs would have been soothed. My younger brother was close by. As Mama walked away to the kitchen, he came and sat beside me. He placed his little hand on my arm and whispered, Are you in great pain? I hugged him tight and started crying again. I used to walk quite cautiously, yet I would often stumble. One day, the class monitors announced, Well, we will call her slippery. Others sleep on the wet ground. Sally manages to sleep even on dry land. That provide the other girls of the class new scope for fun. They teased me with the new title every day. Soon a verse was composed in my honor. Slippery, slippery, sleeping without mug. Ask her the simplest question, no answer is your luck. I lived in perpetual fear of everyone, the girls, the teachers, the young and the old. When I was in class, I dared not move out, and when I was outside, I was afraid to re-enter in the class, nor could I muster the courage to speak to anyone. This is the part of the lesson. See, one day, Sally was coming down the school stairs. At that time, somebody from the top gave an extreme fear scream, and she fell and came tumbling down about 7 steps of the stairs, and her elbows and knees were badly bruised. There is wound on her elbows and knees, and her new frock was torn at that time. So, when she reached home, Mama shouted at him, I am sick of you. I am sick of you. When you will stop making me pay through in my nose for such very expensive losses? Means you improve your activities. And mother seized up me by the arm, gave me a good jerk and seated on the bed. She fetched an antiseptic lotion and applied it to her elbow and knees, and but she did not hug her. So sometime her little brother came there, and he was close there, As Mama walked away to the kitchen, he came and sat beside Sally, and he placed his little hand on his arm and whispered, "Are you in great pain? Are you in great pain?" She hugged him tight and started crying again. And I used to walk quite cautiously, yet I would often stumble. And one day, the class monitors announced we will call her Slippery to Sally because others sleep on wet ground. Sally manages to sleep even on dry land, and so this is the new thing. To the other girls of the class, new spoke for fun, and they teased Sally with new title every day, and soon a verse was composed in her honor. They say, "Slippery, slippery, sleeping without mud. Ask her the simplest question, no answer is your love." And so, all the girls in the class, they teased Sally in this way, and she lived in constant fear of everyone, the girl, the teachers, the young and the old. When she was in the class, she dared not move out, and when she was outside, she was afraid of re-entering the class. Means she was always afraid, and so she did not speak to anyone about any subject because she was always afraid. And so we stop here. Now next period I will give you question and passage on this part.